Hi, high five. We are from group one. My name is Prince.
My name is Anna Fashion. My name is Akil Salima. My name is Asta. My name is Vanessa Masari.
And in this video, we are going to tell about the story of Hansel and Gretel. But we are going to tell the story from another perspective.
So, enjoy guys! Hansel and Gretel.
Once upon a time, Hansel and Gretel lived with their mother. Yet happiness did not last long, for their beloved mother passed away when they were still very young. From that day, their world grew empty, bereft of the guiding hand and tender love they so dearly needed. Their father, absorbed in his own affairs, gave little attention to the children's longing heart. Her father remarried a woman whose past was unknown to Hansel and Gretel. At first, the children was full of doubt, but the woman revealed herself to be gentle and kind. She cared for them sincerely and bore their mischief with endless patience, even when the house was filled with noise and trouble. One day, however, the children commit a grave mistake that roused their father's anger. In his fury, he wished to drive them away, weary of their constant disobedience. Yet the stepmother, filled with compassion, called not bear to see them cast out without a destination. With a heavy heart, she suggests they be entrusted to her kin who dwelt deep within the forest, until their eyes fell upon a wondrous sight, a house made of bread, cakes, and sweets.
Hunger urged them forward, and they knocked upon the door. To their astonishment, an old witch lived there. Yet she was not the frightening figure of stories, but rather a gentle soul. With a warm smile, she welcomed them, offering food and shelters, and even allowed them to stay so they would never go hungry again. She asked for only one small promise, never to enter her private chamber. From that day, the little house of bread was no longer silent. The laughter and chatter of Hansel and Gretel filled its room, chasing away the loneliness that had lingered so many years. The witch's barren heart bloomed once more with joy.
But joy is often fleeting. In time, Hansel and Gretel's mischief returned. They left the house in disarray and, driven by curiosity, defied her own rule. Inside the forbidden chamber, upon a wooden chest, they found a firm portrait and image of their stepmother standing beside the witch. At once, anger flared in their hearts. They believed their stepmother had abandoned them on purpose, leaving them behind to be rid of her burden. Blind by rage, Hansel and Gretel stole the witch's jewels and hurried to town to sell them for gold. The kindness she had shown was repaid with betrayal.
Worse still, on their journey back, they stumbled upon poisonous mushrooms in this forest. With dark intent, they devised a wicked plan to poison the witch who trusted them so dearly. When they returned, they pretended to be reformed, obedient, and helpful. The witch, unsuspecting, was overjoyed. For the first time in years, she felt she was no longer alone. Yet, within the meal she ate lay the venom of the forest. Her strength faded, and at last she breathed her final breath. The goodness she had given ended in the cruelest betrayal.
And so, Hansel and Gretel claimed the house of bread as their own. They lived upon the remnants of her magic, her food, and her treasure. The sweet house was theirs entirely, but behind their triumph lingered a shadow, a dark tale of treachery against a heart that had given nothing but kindness. This story teaches that kindness must be met with gratitude and honesty, For when love is repaid with betrayal, it is not only another's heart that is broken, but also one's own conscience, forever shadowed by guilt and the loss of the true meaning of love and trust.